After 25 years, The Kingdom returned to screens for its third and final season, Exodus. As well as returning to the haunted hospital, the medical drama introduced Mikael Persbrandt following the tragic death of Ernst Hugo Järegård, a succession which the actor opened up about. The first 2 seasons of The Kingdom saw Ernst Hugo Järegård star as neurosurgeon, Stig Helmer. Although he was highly regarded, the series followed the doctor as he tried to hide evidence after a botched brain surgery. While the series successfully aired in 1994 and 1997, the deaths of Ernst Hugo Järegård and Kirsten Rolfs, who played Sigrid Dross, sparked a significant delay. However, in 2020 the show's creator Lars von Trier made a surprise announcement and revealed The Kingdom would return for its third and final season. The Kingdom Exodus followed Stig Helmer Jr., Mikael Persbrandt, as a newly hired doctor in the neurosurgery wing. Despite his intelligence, Helmer was ridiculed by his colleagues for being the disgraced son of the late Dr. Stig Helmer. He arrived at the newly renovated hospital to replace his father and uphold the family name while making everyone well aware of his anti-Danish feelings. Ahead of the show's release, Helmer Jr. star Mikael Persbrandt spoke exclusively to Express.co.uk about stepping into Ernst Hugo's shoes. He shared, "In our region of the world, as a theatre actor he was a giant, of course." Speaking on the role, Mikael added, "I didn't compare, it's all in the script, I'm a half of him and he isn't that successful, he's a FK up. And my father, Helmer Sr., was too, actually, strange characters." The actor revealed he was also a major fan of the series when it first premiered in 1994 and stated, "Landing the role was a dream come true." Mikael continued, "I watched them 20 years ago when I was younger, it's nothing less than a dream come true for me to recognize, and in this kind of spectacular way. With this fantastic script and this part that he gave me. It's a gift as an actor." During the interview, Mikael disclosed he landed the role of Helmer Jr. while filming in Wales for Sex Education, where he portrayed Jacob Nyman. As the series was in production during COVID, he shared his odd preparation due to the strict distancing restrictions. Mikael told Express.co.uk, "I rewatched during my shoot of Sex Education in Wales, I had COVID restrictions so I couldn't leave my room. I had a treadmill there and my computer, so I was walking and watching The Kingdom 1 and Season 2. As well as Helmer Jr.'s complicated adjustment in the hospital, The Kingdom Exodus also followed Karen, Bodil Jorgensen, who arrived in search of little brother, Udo Kier. The spiritual spectre, little brother, was unhappy and tormented Karen, with visions while she was sleepwalking, which led to her arrival at the hospital where she sought answers. The Kingdom Exodus is available to stream on Mubi.